May ko gagalaw kating Jess, okay ka lang? Aron nyo naduwaon.
Haron.
So medyo haron, nagbalik ko man. What's happening?
Oh, no.
Parang gumagalaw ka. Parang yung hangin kating ginawupad.
Hapin gali ako.
Ginawupad ka tangin ay.
Haron, ginagawa.
Oo, taron.
Hambal ako kung nawin.
Singkay, sa sud or sa guwa?
Sulod.
Bakit nandyan yung ano? Parang naduwaon.
Okay ah.
Yeah. Parang nagbalik ko man. Naubos ako ay. Yun dyan, pangyapon. I feel like nasa guwa kating Jess. I feel like.
Hindi, nasunod ako. Saan ka? Ay, hindi ko labing airpods da.
Ah. Ay, agara sa akong akong lalamunan. I can't. Yes, mo si Nicole kung haman.
Haron.
We'll manage. Okay na yan. Do not move, Jess.
Ay,
Do not
saan
move.
yapon?
Nandyan pa rin, pero do not move na lang.
Ay, hindi naman ito ako ng airpods.
Wala ka bang ibang earphones?
May galing yung white mic.
Oh. Try mo lang. Pero kung ay gamita lang ay Nicole. What's this? Oop. Ay, patay ko the music. Ma-copyrighted pa ako agwa nakot. Wala na akong resources.
Sino ba yun?
Wait, paghanap ay para naduwa. Aron yung Jess, okay one? Oh, matunog.
Kabalik
Shoo.
yan.
Shoo! Ay, tang sapat ra ginakalaban ako.
Feel ko sa ceiling fan to. Lapit tabi ako sa ano.
Ay, aron gali. Aron yun naduwa niya ni. Pagpanaw mo.
Wait lang. Likod ko lang pahangin na. Bagong jump scare kanita.
Imong pili ra just.
Ay,
Sa TikTok.
Nag-ano mo, Jun? Masanga gimaw.
Wa. It's good. Don't worry.
Okay.
It's fine. May flashlight po tayo. Hindi mo ba ito na-recognize? Sinend mo ka akong to eh.
Ito nga ni, tagal datag may magkagawkas nga black.
Maybe.
Entity.
New quest available. Nandito just sa book. Ito yung quest. I cannot see. Look for.
Look. Yes, di ko mabasa.
Look for clues to
Pinanguma.
something new to your grandma. Basta look for clues lang daw. Jess, protect me Jess ah. Woo! Oh, may sprint tayo. Oh, may stamina pa. Diyos ko Lord, I'm scared. Ay, di ko magets do,
Look for
look for clues.
You to grandma. Na manabi pinaumang nga putol. Basta mag-usoy lang kita.
There's a key. Office key, wag mo na lang basahin yung wag mo na lang hanapin.
Alit naman. Of that you
Grab
to
the
your
keys.
grandma.
Yung sa taas siya grab the key and
Ay,
sa office. Just, I'm scared. I don't wanna be scared. Pero ako yung nauuna dito.
sin ka akala ko yan sa ang gilid ikaw.
I'm
Sino to?
scared. I'm scared.
Sino?
I'm here. Office key. May office key ako. There's so many things to go. What is this? Super ominous. Takip na mag-ano. Require the key. Double lang kitay. Ayun, may elevator. Grab the key and head back to the office. Yes, head back to the office. In the office. I cannot see things. Office. Balik ko na sa office. Office pa to? I feel like intira ko not in the key.
Nilagay ko na Rocky.
Oh. Hello? Oh, alin dun?
Let's go. Launch key.
I wonder where that is.
Ito sa may ano.
Kikita mo just sa ground, may parang may nag-drug, ano, may mga mancha.
Oh no.
Is this the lounge? Nope. This is not the lounge.
Araw.
Parang side mo just suspicious. Did you work here?
May ano may nakalagay na name.
Oh. So you memorized. Explore the
Ano man na.
explore the staff lounge and find find the key ko, no? Hello? I hope there's no spooky dookie here. May stair key, oh. Extinguish yun natin kunura. Ito, oh. Ito, Jess. Extinguish yun natin. Then, nandito yung stair key. We need to find an extinguisher. 772. I don't know what the 0F means. Do you have a chicken, Jess? Hello? Jess? What? I didn't see it. I didn't witness it. I didn't witness it.
Scary.
Too bad. I didn't see it. Look.
Oy, gulat ako dyan na. Scary.
Ano to?
May nakatayo nga ano tao sa bathroom, CR.
Oh. Just kita mo just yung sa malapit sa atong chat, yung 3 lang. Ina do atong nakikita mo di ba just do atong chat nga ron. Iya do atong inventory, mag-swipe down na lang. I have the bucket. Just do not wander off. Scared and I'm alone. The fire is
Diyan na, ako magto sa CR.
Ay!
Diyan na, dayo kita sa
Ay! Nadlo ka sa CR? Nobo lang ako ay.
Ay, may aswang.
Where are you? Huh? CR? We need to find an extinguisher. Ay, give it a extinguisher.
Galo sa'yo.
Wait, may nag-chat si James. Si James ba yun? James! Stop! Stop, James! Oh my God. May nag-pop up. Nakalimutan ko magpa-type notification. Now! Go away notification. Oh my guав. I have a bucket, Jess. What do I do? What do I do with the bucket?
May bucket ka kasi kailangan natin mag-igib tubig.
What? Sabi extinguisher ko na. I feel like we need to find an actual extinguisher. Tako na dapat. god. Oh my god. Jess, ang heart. I have the bucket. No, stop.
Nagulat ako.
Stop it. Stop it. What is the purpose of here? Na ano, mas nadlo pa.
Sino yung kuha ro ka?
Ah,
Wait lang ako. Mag-DM
No.
lang ako.
Stop.
GC.
pakisabi, nga, hipo sana.
Wait lang.
Hindi.
Yung kuha ro bakit?
Sa ref, sa kitchen, yung bigla kalating nag-spook.
Kinabahan ako dun.
Ara do, bakit, Jess, oh? Did you see over here?
Yes, ako. Yes.
May makabukas ba natin to? No, it's shut down. Interesting. Balikan niya ako sa taas basta may makita ako. Ano ang mas nakakatakot?
Yun, ako yan yun, no?
Haman? Ano, Jess? Bakit nahadlok at in?
Iyak, babaw.
Ay,
Babaw.
wag ka, Jess, matakot.
Iyak. Sabi ko, nagulat ka niya ako.
Yung mas protect me ako, dapat doon keyboard, bukot ikaw.
Open mo dyan na.
Ha? Bakit ako? Diyos ko, Lord, heart attack ako, Jess.
Oh, di ba? Kailangan na itong i-fill to bakit?
Ay.
Sige,
Ha? Pero sabi extinguisher ko na, akala ko actual extinguisher. Like fire extinguisher.
Pangpatay mo nga po tubig yan.
Oh. Ano ang mas nakatakot? Yung andang chat o yung manok mo or yung yung aswang? Ano ba talaga di ka yung mas nakakatakot?
Do jump scare.
Okay, dali yung i-switch ko na sa inventory. Go back to the
Main doorway. Charot.
main hallway and head for the basta stair
Pinuumang man bayun ko andang quest niya rin.
may disadvantage kita. May disadvantage sabi kita cellphone na ba itong ginagamit, dapat laptop.
I should mag-laptop. Diyan, pangit mag-control karon.
Arinda hindi ito,
Doorway ba?
this is not it. May stairway ba dito ay?
Ano tandang jump scare ah? Scary ah.
Yes, I'm scared. You scared? I'm scared. Mas nadlok pa nga niya ako dyan sa dog. Kay naw-aw.
Charbot do yan.
Huh? What? I don't get it.
Ay, same lang pala.
Staff key, what? I am confused. Nasaan yung stairs?
Stairman kasi.
Where's the stairs? Oh my god, are disadvantaged.
Ay, ginapabalik mo na bigita sa hallway.
Favorite seems to be
Sino
no.
ka?
Ha? Iya
Sino ikaw?
ako sa elevator. Balik. I'm here. I didn't leave. Medged. Hara just oh. Oh my god, haraw nakabutang oh. Stairs oh. We're blind. There's no spooky dooky. Oh, alin yung manda. Go back to the I don't understand the I don't get it. Basta diretso lang. Hello?
Bilang.
Why does it feel so ominous? Ominous te. Oh, alin yung manda. Oh my god! Ano to? Receipt?
Paper yun.
Did we just get jump scare from paper?
Head and Hindi ko mabasa.
I don't know what this means na anymore. It's full of gibberish na. Just use your sprint. Ay, wait. Ito yung save zone natin. Never mind. Just!
Namatay ka.
Where am I? Okay. Ah, wait. Basta may something blah 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 to the elevator to leave the something. Basta hanapan natin the elevator.
Pero elevator.
Ano, use your stamina wisely. I'm running. Just make a run for it. Sinimaw. Just run! Stop. Nothing. There's nothing, just. Oh my god, the door requires a something key. Something key. Wait, let me check again. Generator room key. Oh my goodness. Stop. Please, lady, leave me alone. I'm too young to die. Miss Lady.
Oh, na-open ako nga door.
Oh my god! Miss Lady! I cannot read this. Oh my god. What is this? What is the meaning of this? May...
Ano, buy one for the
Alin imoging open?
Nakakuha ko yung locker key.
Locker key. We need a generator room key. At may something about yung sa barricade niya to. Oh my god, the spooky lady's here. Oh my god, stop. Imo sa main door. Okay, she's gone. I'm here!
Ako sa likod.
Elevator, save me! I'm leaving this note here in case you're stuck
Wait!
trying to fix the elevator. Goodbye, Jess! Sacrifice must be made.
Nakawasok ako. Ako sa likod.
First, you need to find the key to the elevator power cabinet. It's hidden in the room with wooden planks. Ah, nakita ko nun sa left side. I'm leaving this note here in case you're stuck trying to fix the elevator power. Haraon just para magets naton. First, you need to find the key to the elevator power cabinet. It's hidden in the room with wooden planks. Once you have the key, there will be a puzzle that has something to do with the pipes in the generator room. We need a generator room karon nya key. The pipe color have something to do with the puzzle. All you have to do is seems like the rest of the text is unreadable. What? Unreadable, you say? Finally, I can escape through the elevator. Sino mo, Just?
Ito nga ni.
Hello? This door requires an elevator key. Oh no. Just, did you get the memo? What do you have? Okay.
Locker.
Sa right
Ay,
side,
locker.
just the ano planks. Do you see it in your own eyes?
Yes.
Alin do need?
Wait lang.
Oh my goodness! Oh my god, your poor body! Oh my god, just your poor body. I saw it. It flies away.
Ah, nahulog. Tuki.
What? What did you just say? Oh wait, where am I?
The locker lang key. Sino ko?
I have no idea where am I. Where am I?
Nahulog ko ro. Locker lang nga key.
Oh no, Jess, that is bad. I have the locker room key.
Oh, nice.
Nag-respawn. Kung sino mo na ano, si mo gimbo. Sino locker room ay?
Baywin ko ron si Lola na.
What?
Nagulat ako.
I'm not
mo dyan.
spooked.
Yung sa likod.
Okay. Sakit ang lalamunan.
Shit.
Oh my god, Jess, he's at your back. Harana, I need this. Jess, I did it. Locker room key. Save me, Jess.
Kuha na ko pang sprint.
I have to go back. Goodbye, Jess. You're on your own. Bukas yung Jess. Go, 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 my god! The hand symbol seems to be number 3.
Generator key.
Okay. Jess, the hand symbol is number 3.
Wait lang. Alin doon?
Aron yung message ko. Hello, in case you died. At my crowbar, Jess.
Yes.
The generator room ay malapit sa respawn point natin sa left side. I'm running. Save my poor stamina because I'm dying. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness gracious! Please! Ah! Jess, balik Jess sa room. Nawala yung progress natin. Gapa-shoot ang Jess. Gapa-shoot ako sa lady. Assignment, di ba niyo? Sa right side to mga stuffed. Sa right side, just.
Di mo ka ako.
Okay.
Ay! Araw, limaw.
Oh, Jess, I saw you. You poor, poor soul. You poor, poor soul. Ah. I have the crowbar and... panhadlok ako, Jess.
Sino agyan ay?
Sa right side do, mga stuffed. No, never mind.
Wala ka. Wala ka sprint.
It takes a few more minutes. Oh my god, bilis at open. Oh my god. I'm here na po. This weird symbol seems to be number 1. Interesting. It looks like a cat. Jess? What is... Ow. What is this? What is this? I don't understand. Oh my god! You ladies, stay back! Jess, save me! Nandishielded. Sa generator room siya. You ladies, stay back! Stay back! Jess! Save me, Jess! I'm in the inside! Jess! Oh. Came out. Oh my god. Sprint. Just... Oh, I saw you die. Ganyan talagang life. No! Need pa natin ng crowbar. Crowbar na lang. Last one na lang. Last plank. Okay in the generator room pero may puzzle una nga hindi ko gets. Sa right side just to mga stuffed. Ito. Save your stamina, Jess. Konti man lang gid atong stamina eh. If someone died, make sure lang. Oh my god, tago ako, Jess. I do not understand this. What is this?
Wait lang.
Hipos chicken, hipost.
Let's go.
Okay.
Chin ba?
Left. Shh, puspos ani chicken. Then go left again. Diretso lang, just keep running.
Ay, garan tagal ako na ano. Baliw.
Then right. Ay, wait.
Wait
No,
lang.
it's left. Diretso lang.
Sabi mo left.
I don't know which direction it is. I am confused too. I don't wanna die. Oh look, ito yung nakita ko. So 1113 sa pipes ron. I've seen these symbols before. They're on the walls in the room. Yes. I wonder if there's more of this in other room. Yes. Balik ito just sa pipes, which is a generator
Wait
room.
lang.
Yes, yes. 1113.
Anong 1113?
1113. 1113.
Wow.
Nasa chat eh. Hand symbols is 3 and the weird symbols 1, which is the cat. But pero alin yung nasa pipes nga to?
Yun.
Interesting. It will whooped. Oh. Hala. Just like memorize the color coordination sa pipes to.
Chin, do pipe side. Banda.
Ito sa generator room. Yung atong
Ay, ako nakita.
ay nakalimutan ko.
Paano mag-exit? Ayaw mag-exit oh.
Inasi daw may exit button.
Yan, di ba pindot?
Blue, green, red.
Ano? Blue.
Blue, green, red.
Blue.
Blue doon na.
Green.
Green, and red.
Jonasin ka.
I perished.
Paalin ba? Left to right or right to left?
Doon na is blue. Sa left.
Mani, right? Left.
Sa left the blue.
Okay mo.
Or baka paliskad. Try mo. Oh my god! You've got to be kidding me. Basi paliskad.
Hindi
Where?
yun ma-interact.
So it's done.
Wala pa ikaw yun.
Oh, so I need to be there.
Yes, basi.
Just, I don't know if I can make it. Just saying. The ghost. The ghost. Oh my god. Stop. Go away. Oh my god, this is the worst. This is the worst of the worst.
Scary.
Jess, save me, Jess. Save me. I'm here na po. So, what did he do? I think paliskad, Jess.
Ay, we.
Yeah.
Ayun lang. Na lang.
Intera. What? What the? Wait. Oh my god. Balikan na ako sa generator room I have to go. Goodbye, just.
Ayun. Alin to?
The monster is torturing
Ano ba
me.
wait?
I think
Ano ba wait? Elevator.
need ko nga i-interact do mga pipes. Dahil interactable do mga pipes. At just smoke sanda.
Oh, yung aswang.
Okay, okay.
Tapos siya.
Diyan lang siya sa'yo.
Ito yung mau. Malayo.
Okay, I lived. What do you want?
Basi may pattern.
Wait. So, dublo dyan sa number 2.
Hmm.
Ah! Oh my god, kaya na akong abutan sa pintuan. Oh my goodness. Stop! I keep dying. Wa pa na ako na press the 3 colors. My god. Basta dublo is 2. Oh my god, nandyan siya.
Pare mau. Ito ko siya.
Jess, I'm scared. Okay, the red is
Hmm?
the red is 3. Oh, wait.
Okay. Hi the first.
Green.
Green, blue, red.
At sabi nga green ay 4. Oh my god, how am I gonna go back? Sinin mo, Just?
Anong 4? Anong 4?
Sabi nga green ay ay 4 sa pangapat, tapos sa bilog man niya green ay sa una, first. Dewa kasi do green niya eh. Oh.
Okay na.
So what do I do?
Wala ka, Juna. Naiwanan kita.
No.
Ay, hey.
No, deja vu, Just. Deja vu. Pero ako naiiwanan sa elevator. Ba yan? Suspicious design, no? Suspicious design. No. Hala, speedrunner, kuno kita.